What's up, guys? It's Matt here. So I try and break things down very, very easy for everyone to understand. And for people saying that getting to a penny for Terra Luna Classic is impossible, I try to explain the math. I feel like it's easy to explain the math, um, and easy to understand because I think we can go a lot further when we understand the burning that could happen, but without any burning happen, with only understanding what the use cases could be and different mechanisms that we could have in place, different DApps and different days where we're having a crazy amount of volume, right? We can see that this can potentially get to a level of 1 penny. It's not unheard of. It's not a ridiculous market cap. It's a normal market cap, a higher market cap, but definitely more on the normal side than it is for something that's worth, $1 trillion or 2 trillion or 6 trillion or 600 trillion. So comparing the two between Shiba Inu and Terra Luna Classic and looking at them as they're the same with a 1 penny price point, it really doesn't line up the same way. So I wanted to talk about this and, give you guys an understanding of exactly where I'm coming from when it comes to Terra Luna Classic to a penny. And hopefully I can break it down easily so that people can understand because I really do believe I'm sort of on the level, like I've said before, guaranteeing that this is going to find a way to reach 1 penny soon. When we see it at a level, or when we see the market cap rising, when we see a bull run happening, that market cap is going to skyrocket, right? The overall price point is going to skyrocket because you have so many people that are invested into the play, so many people that are that want this to succeed and are going to will this to a level of success. I think it's just amazing to see the amount of people behind this, the community behind this. So I will explain it in a little bit. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Let's talk about this because I don't think we have a lot of time. So we can really only go like 8 minutes today and nothing longer. Um, Maybe a little shorter. Who knows? But let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. When we see Terra Luna Classic, a lot of people are looking at the consistent movement of the price and consistent movement as in it continues to drop. It went to a level to where people were excited about it. We saw this at 0.000000 6 or 9 or whatever you invested in it at. Definitely a lower point, run all the way up to 4065 or 66 or whatever the highest point was. And people were excited about it because they turned a certain amount of money into a larger amount of money. I turned $43 into $30,000. Now it's $43 into $10,000, but $43 into $30,000 is absolutely phenomenal. It feels great. I think that a lot of people wanted this to continue to move, obviously, because if you're invested into it, you want it to continue it to move. But it's been doing nothing but decreasing. We've seen the market cap go from a $1 billion or technically a $4 billion market cap all the way down to a almost a half a $1 billion market cap, which sounds like a lot, right? $600 million market cap still sounds like a lot, but not for Terra Luna Classic with millions of people that are following it and millions of wallets that are holding it. A bunch of different places to buy it. You would expect this to be at a much higher market cap because it has so much accessibility, so much, so many pairs that are out there to be able to purchase the position. But currently you're seeing a $40 million volume day. You would expect to see 100 million, 200 million, 1 billion. We had various things that kind of affected this position too, whether it was the 1.2% tax or the 0.2% tax, or seeing some of that tax that gets pushed to the community pool to be used towards funding and just a lot of different stuff there that is supposed to help out the project and make the project a little bit better. We've even seen over 50, I think it is, over 50 billion coins that have been burned, which means a lot more here than it would in the 60 or 70 or however many billions that have been burned in Shiba Inu, right? Because you're looking at single digit trillions for the total supply, as you can see above my head, single digit trillions versus Shiba Inu with hundreds of trillions. So it's definitely a difference maker when you see billions that are burned off, and to see Binance that's burning means a lot more to a ton of people. However, like I said, no matter if we see the supply burn down or what, I believe that this will find a way to get to a penny. Let me explain. Right? It's currently at, about 6 trillion coins in circulating supply. If we got to a level where we are now, right, we're seeing a $600 million market cap, right? If we see a drop zero, at drop 0.1, we're going to see it at a $6 billion market cap. That's not unheard of, a $6 billion market cap. Hell, we were right there. We were at a $4 billion market cap, higher $4 billion market cap. Getting to a $6 billion market cap is not ridiculous. Now, if you drop one more zero, that would be a $60 billion market cap. Now you're probably saying, well, if we dropped anything more, we would need to see much more than that. Well, understand, we would need to see a $600 billion market cap. But we don't need to. If we're trying to get to a penny, if you're a person that's like, we won't get to a penny, understand that a $60 billion market cap is 1 penny price. That's two drop zeros. That's 100x from where we're at right now. It's not unheard of to get to that point, to get to a $60 billion market cap. It's simple math without even factoring in any type of burns. Now, if we see more burns, then that just gives us that much more room to get there and that much more confidence to get there. And honestly, I think it's sort of guaranteed that it will get there. It's just a matter of time for when it does. Now, will it get to a penny? Will it get to $1? Will it get to $2 and all of these other levels? That really all depends on all of the other things that are developed. But as we're seeing more and more bullish momentum into the markets, expect to see more and more bullish momentum into Terra Luna Classic to turn it into something, that's worth 30 billion, that's worth 60 billion, that's worth 70 billion. And now, after we get to that level, how much can we put on, this being burned? And at these low levels, can we find a way to even burn more as you see more transactions that are going through? Now, right now, volume looks very, very low. So Binance is not really burning that much. Now, if we had a ton of volume that was going through, Binance would probably be burning a lot more because they burn 50% of their overall fees that's in there. And I think it's 0.1% as well of whatever that transaction is. So it's honestly not the worst situation possible. And for people that have come into my comments and say, look, let's just give up on Terra Luna Classic, let's give up on SHIB, you have to understand what they are. They are popular positions, but just because they're popular positions doesn't mean they have to run all the time. We have a lot of people that are holding it and people that are waiting on the sidelines. And those people that are waiting on the sidelines are going to get into it as they see more FOMO that's happening. So honestly, that's my opinion of, Terra Luna Classic. Can it reach 1 penny? Absolutely. Will it reach 1 penny? Absolutely. I don't know exactly when, but when we see this next bull run, we'll see the true strength that Terra Luna Classic has after everybody decided to already invest at some of these low points. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.